Good afternoon, everybody. Hope you're all surviving this nasty winter we're having. Today I want to talk about the Sculpfun iCube Ultra. It's a dual head laser. Comes with two heads. This is a 1.2 watt IR infrared laser, and this is a 12 watt standard diode type laser. The system does have automatic focusing. So you push the automatic focus button here on the side and it would drop down till it hit, come back, and then pull it off so far. Comes with his little safety shield. Safety shield has a magnet on the front door. If you open it up, it shuts off the system, and then it will resume where you left off when you close it. Comes with a lens repair kit for the diode laser. Of course, got your little tool kit and your material. Also comes with an air pump, which attaches to the back. Comes with an air assist nozzle for the diode laser, and comes with a little wiring pieces so you can clamp everything together. And it's got a honeycomb style plate that you could put in it if you're cutting something. It is vented on the back. There is a fan coming out of the back of it. It has replaceable filters inside of it. It has got a USB, I can't even get it out of the case, a USB lock in the back that you could take out so nobody could start the machine up. Inside the lid, there is a spot for a camera that you could purchase to snap into it. And it's pre-wired. It plugs into the front here, and then the wire comes out here so you can run to your computer. It is USB-C out to your computer. And so far, it seems to be a pretty decent system. I played around with it a little bit last night, trying to get familiar with it. So what we're going to do today is put the IR laser module in, and then we'll do a burn with it. So let me clear up the table a little bit here, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I have taken the safety shield off the front. I pulled the hose off the back so it's not in the way. And we're going to take this thing apart real quick and put the module in. You get the little Allen wrenches out here. And I think it's next one up. There are 4 screws in the top of the case. Use the right Allen screw wrench, it usually helps. It's a good solid piece too. You know, the only plastic really is at the top. You'll see when I pop this apart here how well it's done inside. When you take the lid off, there's an LED light here on the front, or RGB light on the front. You have to remember to disconnect it. Okay, so we got the 4 screws off. Go in and pop the lid loose and unplug the harness right here in the front, which I'll show you once I get it apart. Okay, and there we have it. And right here is where the camera goes. And then the harness would go There's your LED, there's your camera harness, and it is labeled camera. And you see you got your stepper motors, and it moves side to side, front to rear. There's your laser cable. So to put the laser in, slide it down inside the dovetail keyway, just like you would any other laser. You want to go about halfway down the system and then plug it in. Plug it in just like that. Now you can also turn this so you can see the camera here. This bottom plate here, there's a screw here and a screw here. You could pull this out, which gives you a little extra depth in the base, and you could slide your laser up into it that way if you want to. But let's put the top back on, plug our harness back in, make sure I'm facing the right way. And it snaps down into place, just like that. And then our 4 screws go back in. Now while we've got it here, right here is where your air assist pump plugs in. There's your safety key. Right here's where your air assist hose goes. You have to tap that hole out. And you run your tube through it, and you're good to go. So we now have our laser assembly, our laser head in there. Let me rearrange a few more things here, and then we'll do an autofocus on it, and I'll show you how that works. Okay, we've got everything connected, set up, and working right. Got our safety shield in place. Got a flashlight shining through the front of the safety shield so you could see the workpiece inside there. There's a piece of slate in there. We're going to jog the laser head over the workpiece. And you see the little aiming dot there. So now we're going to hit the autofocus button on the case. And it is now autofocused to the system. And now we're back home and ready to do our first burn. And we'll frame one last time, and that should be right where we want it to be. Yep, right where we want. Okay. So we have got the IR laser head in here. We've got it set at 2200 millimeters per minute at 95% power. Doing it in a Stucky code. So let's start her up. And we'll be back in about an hour to see what it looks like. Okay, so our laser's done with the engraving. Turn that down, turn that down. Let's see what it looks like here. Very good definition. See how that turned out? Very pretty. So, next video, we're going to put the air assist pump on it. I'll show you how to change the filters or clean the filter. And we'll put the other module on. We'll run a few tests with it. So stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Any questions, feel free to ask them. Thank you. Have a good night.